dear students, welcome to ECE Academy Benefactor. In this class, I will be explaining how to write the Boolean expression for y for the given circuit diagram and to determine its truth table. Coming to the circuit diagram, here in this circuit diagram, A, B, C are the input variables and y is the output variable. This is a NOR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate. Okay. So, output of NOR gate is, what are the inputs coming? A and B. So, output of NOR gate is A plus B the whole bar. Okay. Now, coming to this one, from here B is coming and C is given to a NOT gate. So, the input is C bar. So, what is the output of this NOR gate? B plus C bar, the whole bar, NOR gate. Okay, and then given to a NAND gate. These two inputs are given to a NAND gate. So, what is the expression for y? A plus B the whole bar, this is one input, dot, this is second input, B plus C bar the whole bar, and then complete bar because it is a NAND gate. Both the inputs are multiplied and complemented because it is a NAND gate. So, let us simplify this expression now. So, while you are solving, you have to draw the circuit diagram again like this and write at each output what is a given coming expression and then simplify it. Coming to y expression, y is equal to A plus B whole bar dot B plus C bar whole bar total bar 2 times bar. So, apply De Morgan's theorem to it, A dot B the whole bar De Morgan's theorem, what it will come? A plus B double bar plus B plus C bar double bar by De Morgan's theorem. What is De Morgan's theorem? A dot B the whole bar, A dot B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. This is due to De Morgan's theorem. Okay. And then A double complement is how much? If you do double complement of any variable, it comes the same by the rule of Boolean algebra. So, it will be written as A double bar means you are getting A plus B. You are getting A plus B plus this time also 2 bars, so they will be cancelled. So, you are left with B plus C bar. So, what is B plus B? B plus B is B. B plus B is equal to B. So, here we can write A plus B is B, B plus C bar. So, this is expression for y. So, how did we get this expression? By applying 3 Boolean algebra law rules. First is De Morgan's theorem, A dot B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar, A double bar is equal to A and B plus B is equal to B. So, by applying this rules of Boolean algebra, we got the expression of y as A plus B plus C. Now, we have to write its truth table. Truth table is a combination of input and output variables. So, here input variables are inputs and output. Inputs are here A, B and C. Inputs are A, B and C. Output is Y. y expression is a plus b plus c bar. This is the expression we got. So when our 3 variables are there, we can get total 8 combinations. So we can write 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 double 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0 and triple 1. For 3 input variables, we can write these possible combinations in the truth table like this. Okay, this is C bar. Okay, so how can we solve this one now? What is the output coming? Let us first take one example here. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 0. What is Y? Y is equal to A plus B plus C bar. So what is A? A is 0, B is 0, C is 0, so C bar will be 1. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, like this. Now let us take another example. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 1. For this combination, what is Y coming? Y is equal to A plus B plus C bar. A is how much? 1, B is 1, C bar. 1 complement is 0. So 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, like this. So for these 3 zeros, output is 1. For these 3 ones, we are getting the output is 1. Okay. So similarly, you can do it for all combinations. As it's OR gate, definitely it will be coming all ones. Let us check one more combination here. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 1. Okay. So Y is equal to A plus B plus C bar, A plus B plus C bar. 0 plus 0, 0 and C bar is 0. So it will come as 0. So only for this combination it is going to come 0. And for remaining all other combinations it will come as 1. Okay, let us check this combination now. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 1. Y is equal to A plus B plus C bar. A is equal to 1, B is 0, C bar 0. So 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. So Y is coming as 1. Okay. So in this way, for the given circuit diagram, we can find the Boolean expression and write the truth table. Okay, I hope you have understood the class. If you have any queries, post in the comment section. Good luck, students.